Alright, here we are a day later. I've made a few changes to the dishwasher to fix it. I'll take you through that. The top spray header had a whole bunch of gunk in it, cleaned it out. It was also off balance, so I took a jigsaw and cut some weight off the end here. It doesn't affect the spray pattern at all, but it makes it more balanced so it's not leaning up against one side. The middle spray arm a little bit of gunk in it. Cleaned that out. Also the mounting screw, I added a small brass washer there that tightens up that seal just a little bit. Doesn't have a big effect, but it does help a little bit. The bottom spray arm, even after cleaning it out, was not spinning.
The sprayer's not sprayed?
No, I was. So here's what I did. The spray arm normally spins this direction, so I drilled a little hole on this end. It's just a 1/16 inch hole, and one on this end. Just a little application of Newton's third law. Results now. And it looks like the bottom one is spinning just fine, but the middle one is not. Or else it's spraying water away. The top one's spinning just fine as well, so go ahead and cancel this. Where's the stop?
Here it goes, here it goes.
Oh, is it moving? A little bit. And it stopped again. It's moved really slowly, so I'm going to have to...
Water's coming out.
I know. Alright, we'll go ahead and make a little modification to that. Alright, what I've done with the middle spray arm is the same thing I did on the bottom one. Drilled a little 1/16 inch hole. I only did it on the one side because this wasn't having as much trouble turning as the bottom spray arm was. And we'll run it again. And it looks like the middle spray arm isn't doing anything. Well, that's a failure. Alright, this is take 3. The top tray has been slid all the way back into the dishwasher now so that the water can actually get to that spray arm. And you can see all the spray arms are working now. You can see the middle one sweeping left to right. You see the top one sweeping right to left. You can also see the bottom one sweeping right to left.